Made with healthy drumsticks, this dal makes for a nutritious comfort food. Let's make drumstick dal. In a cooker, I am taking 1 cup of Toor Dal that I had rinsed in water a couple of times. I am adding to this 2 cups of water, half a teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's pressure cook the dal for 3 whistles. The dal is boiled and mushy. Let's quickly prepare the drumsticks. I have taken 3 drumsticks. I'm cutting the ends first, then splitting them into 3-inch pieces. Drumsticks are a powerhouse of nutrients and amazing for hair, skin and digestive health. Just make sure while cooking them, you always peel off the hard ridges. This is done. Time to cook the drumsticks. In a pan on heat, I am taking 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Next, I am adding 3 garlic cloves chopped, 2 pinches Asafoetida or hing and 1 green chilli chopped. Let's saute for a minute. Next goes in half a teaspoon red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Saute for a few seconds. Now I am adding 2 tomatoes chopped. I am letting the tomatoes cook for a couple of minutes until they are a bit softer. Time to add the drumsticks. 1 teaspoon salt and 2 cups water. Let's close the lid and let the drumsticks cook. This should take around 10 to 12 minutes. Let's check. Cooked and still not mushy. Perfect. It's time to add the dal. Let's mix. Now I'm closing the lid and we will let the dal and the drumsticks cook together for 5 minutes more. Lastly, 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder. Mix this. Drumstick dal is ready. Let's transfer it into a serving bowl. For the tadka, in a heated pan, I am taking 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 dried red chilies and half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Let's pour the tadka over the dal and garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Enjoy it with plain steamed rice or veg pulao for a healthy, satisfying meal. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.